This is Jeff Harrington. This is video number 2 in the mixer operation series. If you haven't watched video 1 yet, you need to watch that. Every video in this series is predicated on video 1. All right, this is for winterizing your truck at the end of your shift. Now my tank is aired up right now, my water tank. I've already drained the majority of the water out. We're down to where it's blowing the last little bit of water out with the air. You get to that point. Now I've got plenty of air left in there. If yours is run low, then build up some more air pressure. Now, from here, now my truck has 2 hoses. I got the one on the top and the one on the bottom right here. Pin them somewhere. Now this is how I do it. Come over here, pin it back, and let it blow. Pin it back, and just let them blow. Now what we want to do is blow all the air through the system, through the hoses, out through the front, or wherever you have your hoses. That's going to take a couple of minutes because there's a lot of air in the tank. From this point on my truck, this controls filling the air tank, or the water tank, so I turn that off. This is the valve that you open to add water to the drum. You see that? That right there is because somebody drove my truck over the weekend, and when they parked it, they didn't open that valve, and it froze and it burst. Same problem with that one. For some reason, they thought they needed to close that valve. They also closed this one, and I honestly don't know why it didn't burst, but I guess because it had room to expand on both sides. Anyway, now these are just about empty over here. Now we just let those completely run out. Now there's no way to completely purge every drip of water out of the system, so what we're doing is we're getting as much out as we possibly can. Now at this point, we're going to open up the valve for adding water to the drum. We're going to open up the master drain. Okay. Now, the only valve left that is closed is the one on top. So let me reach up there and get that. There. Now, go over the check. The air discharge is open. The main valve is open. The master drain is open. The ones to the hoses are open. The one for filling the drum is open. The only thing left to do is to string these hoses out so that we don't have any freeze plugs in the bottom here. But if you do, if you blow it out like I just did, about 20 seconds of spraying that hot water on that hose, and it'll be free, or open. We'll cover that in the video on how to operate in cold weather. Thank you.